children? You would be wondering what Mataji is doing with the pre-recorded videos. It's simple. As you all know, in this academic year, you will be having online classes as well as pre-recorded videos. So we finished successfully last week with online class. First online class for this academic year. So let's start with first pre-recorded video for this academic year. In online class started with knowing about Environment Day, and we also started the bridge course where we learned about plant life. As we celebrated Environment Day recently, so I took plant life as the first bridge course topic. What will I be doing in today's class? Any guesses? Okay, I am going to give you a clue. This incident is about last week, which happened in a real. That is, there was a bike accident, and the person who was riding that bike unfortunately damaged his head, and it caused death for him. And he is none other than the famous Kannada director, who is a national awardee, Sanchari Vijay. While he was riding the bike, as his doctor said, if he had worn the helmet, if he had put the helmet on his head, then the injury wouldn't have been very much serious, and this incident wouldn't have happened in his life. So after listening to this, you may have already guessed what would be the topic, today's topic. Yes, in today's topic we will be recalling about safety rules. Even after we follow these safety rules, still we get injured. For that, what we have to do? How to first aid? That also we will be learning. For present, let us start with safety rules. Continuing with the incident which I told, if the director had followed the traffic rules, that is wearing helmet, then there would have been a less of injury. That means the traffic rule which he didn't follow. So what is the first traffic rule? These are the basic traffic rules to be followed. First, wearing a helmet. The next one, yes, wearing the seat belt. Wearing a seat belt when you are driving or when you are co-passenger in a car or any four-wheeler, compulsory have to wear the seat belt. Next is while crossing the road, you have to look to your right, then left. If no vehicles are coming, then only you have to cross. And where you have to cross? You have to cross on zebra crossing. Cross the roads on zebra crossing. Understood? Then, if there is a red light, you have to stop. If it is green light, then only you have to go. If it is a red light, you have to stop. If it is a green light, then only you have to move. Later, the kids or any pedestrians should not run or should not walk on the roads. There are footpaths which you can use it for your safety purpose. Walk on the footpaths. The next one is you should not run around or play on the streets. There is a main road and the vehicles will be moving on. There if you go on playing with the football or a cricket or something else, surely you will be injured with the vehicles, because they will be not knowing who is there on the road until unless it is a vehicle. So be careful, you should not play on the roads. And while getting into the bus or getting out of the bus, you should wait until the bus stops. Getting out or getting inside a moving bus causes danger, causes an accident. If that person slips out while a bus is moving, then he may injure his leg from back wheels of the bus. So this was about what you have to follow while you are on the roads. Then which is the next safety? Next one is while playing in a playground or the school. What are the rules you have to follow? It's not just like a rules. What you have to do for you to be safety. You should not play near the barbed wires, which will be like a fencing to the compounds of the park or the playgrounds. Should not play over there. It is made up of iron or steel, which will, if you get hurt from that, you have to get an injection. So it's better play away from it. And while playing, play fairly. No cheating. Play fairly. And do not fight with your friends. And do not rush for the play items which are kept in the park, like swing or the slide or some other different toys which are on the playground. Do not rush over it. Take turns while playing on that toy. Next, I said about school. What safety should be? School is very safe. Yes, school is very safe. But kids sometimes may be danger. They play danger things. Like they will be playing with the scales or the pointed pencil. Sometimes that pointed thing they will be playing and it may poke to other kids. So while playing, be careful that you are not using pointed things when you are playing with your friend or anyone. You should not jump on the desk or jump from the chair. This causes seriously a very huge problem. There happens to be one incident with one child was very enthusiastic after coming from the play, and that child jumped from the desk and it got hurt. So it is not fair to jump on desks or jump from the desk. No, it will not help you in anything. It will cause you trouble. If it becomes serious, you may even get fractured. So you have to play in the playgrounds, not in the classroom, on desk or chair or table. No. And do not throw sharp things or any other things on anyone. It may hurt your friends or it may even break the glass windows of the classroom. So be safe in classroom or school. So which all we learned today? We learned traffic, that is safety on roads. Then we learned safety in playground. Then also we learned safety in schools. So these are the things we learned today. Children, I want you people to encourage your elders or your brothers or sisters to use bicycle to go nearby to the shops or anything. Going by walk is also fair, or using bicycle is also fair. How it is fair? How is it good enough? See, using the bikes or scooty for nearby, you are wasting petrol, you are spoiling the environment with the polluted air. So if you use bicycle or going by walk, it will help you improve your health, and there will be less of pollution. Carpooling. Instead of we take different vehicles, we can go in one vehicle and we can get off wherever we want. So here we are saving the petrol also. We are saving environment by getting polluted, and we can even enjoy with our close ones. Okay, let us do an activity here. Are you all ready? This doesn't cost much, and we are going to use what are there in our house. The materials you require for doing this activity is a cardboard or any kind of carton box you will be having. One part, which is the side part, will be there. That part is enough. One small part, that is enough. Like this it will be there. This much is enough. On this you are going to paste a nice white paper, or if you have a paint, you can paint the white on it. It's better to paste a white paper on it. Then you are going to paint a nice white paper on it. Then you are going to paint like this. First draw it like this. Here is it. Okay. Here it's full of black. The box small one is painted with white. If you have a black sheet, you can paste black sheet. But to draw and all, it may be difficult. If it is okay with you, you can paste black or white sheet, no problem. On that, make a mark like this. The smaller one, smaller boxes, you should paint with white color. So now it looks like a road. Now after this, you are going to take a newspaper. Here is one rough paper with me. Any rough paper is fine. Then you are going to roll it like this. I have made a stick with it, where one part I am going to fold it in this way. You can paste it or tie a tape. The other part, it's okay. How much big you want, you can. If you don't want that much big, you can bend it here also with the same manner and put a tape or a gum which can hold it. Here with the stick and the cardboard which you had taken, paste it at one side. Paste it at one side like this, the cardboard. Later on, take another, in the carton box there will be a flip opening and closing one, that you can take it. Make sure it does not, it will be of this much size itself. Smaller one, small size, and you are going to put 3 circles on it and paint red, yellow and green. This is traffic lights. That one should be pasted on the top and the bottom one will be pasted here. Here is ready with the road and the traffic light. Isn't it easy? That you can keep it on your study table as a board to keep your pencil, pen whatever it is. You can keep it over there, or you can even stick the sticky notes on the pole, street light pole. You can stick it. Make a note that these notes to be followed by you. Understood? So this is the activity, small activity, which you are going to do it, and you are going to send me the pictures also. I hope you like this session. Let me see your activities coming one by one to me. Let us meet in the next class. Until then, धन्यवाद.